What up, everybody, and welcome to FouseyTube. So I put up an ad online for free personal training sessions. During the sessions, I'm gonna be an obnoxious douchebag who just so happens to a lot. Hope you enjoy. Look, right now, you're at like a Conan O'Brien, but I want to turn that into a Jen Selter. I know you're mad, all right? They're sagging. They're sagging.
I know, man.
But that's why I'm here.
All right, man.
You got what it takes.
Yeah, okay.
You got what it
Yes,
takes.
man.
Get down.
All right.
Who do you guys want to be, Beyonce or Nicki Minaj?
Beyonce.
Wrong. When you're at the club and a guy's staring at you, I want him to tap his boy and say, damn, she has that Nicki on her, okay? Not Beyonce. You have a choice in life. Are you Venus or are you Serena? Nobody wants to be Serena, right? Right. Okay, so I want you to swing this like you mean it at my abs.
Okay.
Go. Harder.
I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
I think I sharted a bit. Get close, ready? Push my back down a little. I'm sorry. It's beans. My mom makes beans. She puts a lot of beans in her food. Come on! Hold on.
Hey, dude.
What's that?
Disrespectful.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, I won't do it. Give me a 2. Give me a 3. Give me a 4. Give me a 5. What?
Man, this is some bull. Man, you f***ing farting when I'm lifting weights.
Why are you worried about my farts when you're supposed to hear trying to stop the
I
sag?
mean, but damn.
This is the Nicki Minaj Anaconda workout plan. Knees, hands, and strut. And strut. And strut. And strut. Work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are you f***ing kidding me right now?
What?
You cannot tell me you do not know you're doing that. This, is it not rancid in here?
What?
This is bull.
You talking about the farts?
Yes, I'm talking about the fart. Are you kidding me?
I drink a lot of protein. What do you expect? Come on. Hold on. I'm sorry.
Hey, I just told you, come on, what's wrong with you?
It's natural.
It's not, the bathroom's right there.
You don't fart? And twerk. And twerk. And twerk. And twerk. You good?
Oh no.
What?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. When I go up, I want to like go over your head a little bit. So, oh shit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm a little gassy. I won't do it again. Come on. Come. Hold on.
No way.
I'm sorry.
Come on, what the hell's wrong with you? Don't do that. Oh my God.
I'm sorry. Look. It's a fart machine. 1! Oh shit. Stop. Look.
What's up, man?
You're on my hidden prank show. That's a camera right there. Look.
Man, come on, man.
Here I go. Okay, so you go up and then just, oh, here it comes. Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more FouseyTube, I post daily vlogs on my second channel, Dose of Fousey. I really hope you enjoyed this prank, and if you want to see more gym-related pranks, please give this video a big thumbs up. See you next time. Rah! Listing for personal training sessions and asking people if they need personal training for the cheap, like super cheap. We got a ton of submissions.